Hey guys, Jabbar Keys live on Apollo Explains. Talks about liquidity mining versus yield farming. So you want to check out this article. It says generate passive income from your existing crypto. Yield farming also includes staking and lending. So I'm going to go over to this article so you can see the full updates on this. So guys, if this is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube videos. Stay tuned for more, guys. You want to click on the subscribe button below these videos so you get notified whenever we drop updates. Back to this article, it says you've probably seen the word old say everywhere on crypto Twitter and in community groups. If you believe a project has huge potential, holding will come easy to you. That said, why not also gain some benefit at the same time? With the emergence of DeFi and DeFi tokens, there is proliferation of yield farming today as projects attempt to incentivize and token holders to invest in their ecosystems. Yield farming, however, put simply, yield farming is an investment strategy to maximize your existing crypto assets and generate the most returns possible. If you wish to earn passive income from your tokens, yield farming will help you to grow your crypto, includes staking, lending, liquidity mining, and more. So traders lock up or provide their crypto to the project to be used in return. They earn from transaction fees and token rewards. So many projects give out rewards in the form of more tokens. Staking happens when you commit your crypto assets to support a blockchain network and help to verify blockchain transactions. So your stake crypto is used to support a consensus mechanism called proof of stake to ensure transactions are secured and verified. So traders earn from block rewards, that is tokens minted and distributed every time a new block is added to the blockchain. Then we have the lending. Saying in crypto lending, you are able to use crypto assets as collateral and receive a loan in stablecoins. The most crypto assets have to be over collateralized, meaning that you have to lock up more assets than the value of the stablecoins you are receiving. So this is due to price volatility of crypto. Your crypto will be returned to you once you have repaid the loan plus interest. If the price of your crypto asset increases, you would have made a profit by the time you repay the loan. So that's the one of the benefits on crypto lending is that most times if you for peradventure as BTC as of recording BTC is dipped, dipping is down, it's been bearish with about $35,000. So let's say you put in BTC, one BTC $35,000, and you collect stablecoin worth $35,000 in USDT, 35,000 USDT. You're giving 35,000 USD, or more so, as it said here, you need to lock up more assets than your value of a stable coins. So your 35,000 BTC worth of BTC might give you a $30,000 worth of USDT or 30,000 USDT. So peradventure BTC now gets back to, let's say, $100,000 within a month, and you are meant to return your 30 USDT. So you see here that your BTC that was locked up in value for this stuff will return to you in the form of 100,000 will be returned to you, and its value will now be about 100,000 USDT. So that's one of the benefits. But had it been you had converted it initially to that 30 USDT, it will what you will be in your hands will be that 30 USDT, 30,000 USDT, and the profits that you were supposed to have made if you had owed or held on to the BTC would not have been there. So those are some of the reasons why crypto lending is very important. We have a liquidity mining. Mining occurs when liquidity providers supply tokens in a pool of crypto assets. In liquidity mining, a pool with an equal number of two tokens is created. For example, if you're supplying tokens to a BTC USDT pool, you will need to have both BTC and USDT. So pools are then used to provide liquidity to the project or commonly to decentralized exchanges. So in return, providers can earn incentives usually in the form of the project's native token or one of the two tokens in the pool. So do know that one main risk of liquidity mining is the permanent loss. When people trade much more on one side of the pool versus the other, you can end up with an imbalance. Price of your deposited assets may change as compared to when you first deposited them. Losses are likely to be equalized with higher annual percentage rates (APRs). with which tell you your expected returns. However, you should know that APR rates are dynamic and can fluctuate. Always do your due diligence and confirm the rate before allocating your funds to the pools. You also need to monitor the rates regularly to ensure you reap the best and rewards. So on a BTC USDT pool that you want to create liquidity for, talks about people buying and selling, the rate at which people will convert from BTC to USDT or from USDT to BTC. So those are some things you need to take note of. So those are some of the things you want to take note of. In conclusion, yield farming helps make your crypto work for you. With yield farming, you can grow your crypto assets instead of leaving them dormant in wallets. So liquidity mining is one of the methods of yield farming. So since you'll be holding these coins for long, it's good you can utilize the yield farming. So you can earn from supplying crypto assets to a liquidity pool. Liquidity pool makes transactions in the ecosystem more faster. So other forms of yield farming involve staking and lending. So the views expressed in this article are the authors alone, do not necessarily contain of views of Apollox. So guys, you buy keys, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Stay tuned for more. Hope this is beneficial to you. Stay tuned. One love.